Ready to ditch the default Roblox look and transform your avatar into the ultimate style icon? Let's unlock the secrets of outfit codes. First, finding these codes is key. A great place to start is simply searching online. Use your favorite search engine and type in Roblox outfit codes followed by the current month and year. Lots of websites, YouTube channels, and social media pages dedicated to Roblox compile lists of working codes. So explore a few different sources to maximize your chances of finding some good ones. Be warned, codes often expire, so stick to recently updated lists. Once you've got a code, head over to the avatar editor on the Roblox website. You can find it by clicking the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen and selecting avatar. Okay, this is where the magic happens. Look for the promo code box on the avatar editor page. It's usually located on the left side of the screen, sometimes hidden under a menu. Carefully type the outfit code into the box. Double check that you've entered it correctly, as codes are case sensitive. Even a small typo will prevent it from working. Now, click the redeem button. If the code is valid and hasn't expired, you should see a confirmation message like code successfully redeemed. Congratulations! The item associated with the code is now in your inventory. You can equip it from the avatar editor. Go experiment, mix and match, and create a style that's uniquely you. So go out there and rock that fresh new look.